All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. CEO Quincy here. And let me ask you something, guys. If you're already glued to your phone every day, why not get paid for it? No, I'm not talking about surveys or sketchy programs, guys, that pay, small commissions. In this video, I'm going to show you real ways to make money from your phone, whether you're chilling on your couch, commuting, or even lying in bed. Now, this is beginner friendly, doesn't require any tech skills, and you can start with just your phone and Wi-Fi. All right, so let's dive in, guys. So most people use their phone to consume content, right? Watching videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, right? But the money is made by the people who create and promote value. Now, your phone isn't just for scrolling, guys. It's personal. It can be a personal ATM machine if you use it the right way. Now, we have many people, guys, that is inside of our community that are making money, okay, via social media, affiliate marketing, or selling done for you digital products, all from their phones. And I'm not talking about small commissions. I'm talking about 100% commissions, guys, between $300 to $900 daily. Okay. So here are several ways that you can make money from your phone. Okay. So I'm going to give you three proven ways. One way is affiliate marketing. Okay. Promoting digital products and earning commissions, right? Promoting other people's products. There's no need to create your own course or product. You can use apps, right? Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook to share your content. Okay. And then you include a link in your bio and earn commissions every time somebody purchases products through your link. Now, an example is promoting $1,000 product, okay, and earning 400 to 500, or earning 400 to $600 per sale. All right. So you can, number two, you can create content and monetize it. Okay, like creating short form content on TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts. Drive traffic to your link, right? Via your funnel, offer, email list. Okay, and add monetization later with brand deals, UGC, or digital product sales. Okay, number three, selling digital products. That can be selling ebooks, templates, guides, or selling coaching program. Now, tools like Canva, Google Docs, or Notion are all mobile friendly. Okay, just to name a few that you can start selling digital products with. Now you have an example of this would be like creating a fitness tracker or a finance template, right? And sell it for $10 to $50. Okay, now passive income can be made from Gumroad. They have have platforms called Gumroad, Etsy, or through your own site. Okay, and passive income simply means where it requires very little time, very little effort. You create it once, and you can sell it over and over again through an automated system. Now, the tools you would need, guys, to be successful with digital marketing, just a few. Most of you already have them, right? You don't need to have a fancy laptop or fancy camera, guys. Okay, but must-have free apps you want to use if you're going to create your own products, guys, is Canva, okay, CapCut, Linktree, Stand Store, of course, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook for the traffic and the content, and then Google Docs to create and deliver digital products, right? So there's a few steps when you're selling digital products and you want to this process to run smoothly. You want to be able to just create content from your phone. There are a few steps you have to take, right? And when you create your own product, it's going to take a little time, a little effort, but with the help of AI, guys, you can create a digital product within 5 minutes or less. Okay, so how can you turn this right into a daily income? How can you put all this together and create a daily paying business? So first thing, you want to pick one niche. Okay, it could be health, money, relationships, side hustles, right? Post simple, helpful, curiosity driven content daily, and then drive traffic to your link. Okay, you drive traffic by creating content and posting daily on your social media platforms. Promote a digital product or affiliate program that pays you $100 to $900 per sale. Okay, and I'm going to share at the end of this video, guys, I'm going to share with you this step-by-step blueprint that I followed a year ago that allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job and work from my phone. Okay, just working a few hours a day, guys, just posting short form content. Show you how that you can get access to that same guide that allows me guys to earn a significant income every single month. Okay, and that income comes in daily, guys. You can receive daily deposits. All right, so in order to turn everything right, all the steps that I mentioned, and to put everything together and turn into daily income, you must, like I said, you must learn how to pick a niche, and you want to be able to drive traffic. You want to learn how to drive traffic, and you want to be able to attract your perfect customers without chasing them. Okay, and you want to build an email list. You must build an email list. Big companies, small companies, guys, they all have one thing in common. When you learn how to market, guys, you're going to always provide value, and you want to have a process to where you are getting people's emails address. Okay. And maybe you are offering some type of lead magnet. Maybe you're teaching somebody how to do something for free, and in exchange for the email address, right? You offer them a guide. So I'm going to share with you the same process that I use, guys. I've been doing this for over a year. That's allowed me to earn 4 figures a week, okay, 5 figures a month, and I no longer have to work 50 plus hours a week. Okay, so this is how people are earning $100 to $1,000 a day from just their phones, guys, creating very simple content. Okay, so I'm going to recap, and then I'm going to end this video, guys. So if you're serious about making money from your phone, here's the plan. Okay, here's a plan, guys, that you can follow. Stop just consuming content. Okay, start creating it. If you don't know how to create it, follow a blueprint. Okay, follow a step-by-step guide that is designed for beginners. Promote high-value digital products, or you can create your own. And if you have the right guide, guys, you're going to learn how you can create your own and sell them for whatever you like. Okay, use your phone as your content studio, sales funnel, and income machine. All right. So if you want the exact step-by-step system I use to go from my 9 to 5 burnout to making income daily from my phone, okay, even as a complete beginner, I had no tech skills, guys. I had no experience on with digital products. Okay, never sold them before. Okay, so if you want that same step-by-step system, guys, just want you to click the link in the description, all right, to get my free training and blueprint. Okay, no fluff, just the real system that's helped thousands of people start earning online. Okay, so no fluff, right? No fluff, real deal. So I want you to like this video, guys, if you learned something. Okay, subscribe if you want more no BS tips to start and grow your online income, right? Drop a comment and tell me which method are you going to try first, or do you want the blueprint that includes the done for you products? That's how I started. Okay, so guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video, guys. I'll see you next time. All right, y'all have a good one.